Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 4 different job leads in this video. They are all part-time. I know a lot of you are looking for part-time jobs. Now, some of these may have certain schedules that are not evening. I know a lot of you are looking for evening part-time jobs that you can work at night after your normal daily job. But I am asking that you please bear with me today and tomorrow as I get these job leads out for you. I took yesterday off to spend a little time with my mom and daughter, and then I have all these job leads backed up that I'm trying to get out to you. So just bear with me. But this video is going to be for those of you who are looking for part-time work. We're going to dive all in. I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, you want to see more part-time job leads, let me know by leaving a comment down below or giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, this first job lead is kind of exciting. It's from the clothing retailer Chicos. They have 2,100 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time virtual remote social stylist. So Chicos has over 1,300 boutiques and outlets throughout the United States. So all of these part-time jobs are going to be for the United States only. But they're looking for somebody to help build a strong community of customers and create a sense of customer belonging, helping build sales, increase customer files, and lifetime customer spend. So this is going to be like a sales position. You'll drive sales through their digital platform, in-home events, local events, appointments, and client pooling. So they're really looking for somebody to utilize those digital platforms or high-touch techniques to build a clientele base, drive sales, and increase those customer spends, how much money the customer spends with Chicos. So they're looking for somebody to facilitate in-home and localized events, as well as using those digital platforms. So you'll use digital platforms like posting videos, reels to Instagrams, featuring kit products, promoting services, and increasing the digital presence of the Chico products, multi-channel customer growth. You're going to recruit entrepreneurial stylists to join your team and meet company sales goals by utilizing these unique sales techniques. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer either somebody who has 3 years of retail sales, subscription service, or some kind of digital presence. That's preferred, not required. You do have to be 18 years or older, have great communication skills, great customer service skills, and a solid knowledge of community outreach and involvement. You do have to know the fashion industry as well as how to use those digital platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of those things. Now, unfortunately, with this position, pay was not listed. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Moving right along, we have the company Pathrise. Now, we actually have 2 different part-time positions from Pathrise. Pathrise has 57 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating at 4.3 out of 5 stars. The first position they have is a part-time customer success mentor. And so they're really looking for somebody to be responsible for helping the success of their regular customer service reps by helping them develop their interviewing skills through a variety of online sessions. You're going to work with their career mentors and sales mentors to provide up-to-date relevant information to help their fellows pass interviews and gain confidence in their abilities. So you're going to provide one-on-one mentorship on your own schedule. So they want you to at least have a commitment of 5 hours per week that you'll do, but you can do more. So this is a very part-time position. This one does give you flexible hours to work when you want to. You'll perform kickoff sessions with the fellows. You'll mentor them and help them commit to a few hours a week preparing materials for them, doing curriculum content, and just responding to their emails. You'll guide them through technical and behavioral aspects of job searching. So you're going to help these fellows make sure that they are prepared to do interviews, they're prepared to do job searches. So you're basically going to coach them on what, if you've been watching this channel for a while, what you've been doing all along. Now, they are looking for somebody who's 5 to 10 hours of availability per week on their calendar, somebody who's excited to get the chance to shape the skills, minds, and trajectory of the career path of other people. They do prefer somebody who's 3 to 10 years of experience in customer service, customer success manager, or some kind of leadership role, someone who understands hiring or training, and someone who has experience with teaching, career advising, or mentorship in some kind of educational setting. But pay for this position is very high. It's anywhere from $35 an hour all the way up to $55 an hour. And on the lines of career coaching and doing things that you are probably already doing, if you're great with resumes, this next one might be for you. Pathrise is also hiring a part-time resume specialist. So you're basically just going to be working with people that are looking for jobs. You're going to conduct resume sessions, providing guidance on how for them to rewrite their resume. You're going to help them rewrite your resume. You'll coach them to understand resume improvements, why they're needed, what improvements to make, developing effective resumes aimed at increasing the fellow's likelihood of passing the screening process. So again, you kind of get to work within your own schedule, but they want somebody to be available 10 to 25 hours a week. And they're looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience in resume writing or profile optimization, like creating profiles on LinkedIn, things like that. Someone who quickly learns from various technical platforms you can use, like Google Suite, Notion, different things like that, or you can learn how to use different software programs very quickly. And someone who has a passion for helping others and will work with the fellows to just help them land their dream job. This one pays $21.50 an hour, again, all the way up to $55 per hour. Moving right along, we have shared the company Drips on this channel before. The pay is a little bit lower with this one, but it seems like an easy enough job if you can get in. They do have 32 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a chat room operator. Now, Drip hires from time to time for chat room operators, and what this job kind of entails is that you're helping AI come up with responses to chat rooms. So the chat room responses, you're going to have pre-filled responses that the AI is going to come up with, and you're going to have to click and choose which one should be the best response for the person. So like, say if a user types in the chat can't now working, that would be categorized and handled by clicking the I'm at work button, because I'm at work would be the best response for that. So you're just kind of training AI here, doing different chat responses, helping the chat bot learn what responses are the best ones to be providing in different situations. Now, they are hiring part-time up to 28 hours a week. Pay is only $10 to $13 an hour, but they have different shifts available. You can work 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is one that's flexible that you can do outside of another job to make a little bit of extra money. And I know the pay is not excellent, but at the same time, something is better than nothing. And they don't require any kind of college degree. You just have to have great attention to detail, be comfortable working with a computer, have great typing skills, and they want somebody who's proficient in using emojis, because that is a lot of what people are going to be typing in the chat box. So you got to be familiar with emojis. Great grammar and spelling skills, great communication skills, and you do have to have your own reliable internet access. Well, all right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, please bear with me. I feel like I have so many job leads that I want to get out to you. I will be working on it through today and tomorrow. If you enjoy job leads like this, let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.